Hey guys, hi Nagandara here, and today I'm bringing you a new unboxing of the Nothing Ear A earbuds. These were released on April 2024, something like that. I was looking for something different, something that looked nice, and to be honest, look at it guys, it's real nice. It's looking really good. Looks what's inside the box. So here we have them guys. Type-C to Type-C with the Nothing branding, some paperwork, ear tips, very nice, all black, matte black, and they're heavier than I thought. I thought because of the plastic is going to feel cheap, but they don't. They actually feel really premium for the price, of course. And the design, man. The case is really nice. The earbud with the matte black and clear finishing here. I'm really liking it. Real quick guys, I forgot to show you if these pair like just by opening it up. I don't think so. Ooh, they do connect, and it says that you need to download the app, so we just click download. There you have it, already paired. Earbuds Nothing Ear A.